Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your audio quality on Clubhouse. So let's start. First, open the Clubhouse app. Now I'll just quickly create a room. And the room has been created. Now to change your audio quality, tap on the three dots on top right corner. Now tap on audio quality. If you're having connection issues, then keep it on low. And if you're a speaker or performing, then keep it on high. Now I'll just select high. However, keeping your audio quality on normal is the best solution. And that's how you can change your audio quality on Clubhouse as a speaker as well as a moderator. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.